Welcome guys, today we learn how to convert your image to cartoon style, anime style, color trace, and line art trace in Canva. So let's start the video. Open a blank page on Canva and upload your image. You can resize or landscape your page from here. To convert your image to cartoon style, go to Apps and search Cartoonify. And search for Animefy for convert to anime style your image. Please don't skip the video. Watch every step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To convert color trace or line art style, go to Edit and click on Tracer. Go to black and white output mode to convert your image in line art style. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you need any assistance regarding this video, please leave a comment.